To set up LDAP, navigate to the Settings menu and select LDAP. Click the Settings button and enter your LDAP server URL. Next, input the admin DN or CN password, search base, and search filter. Click the Test button to verify the connection. The system will show the total number of users and groups it's going to fetch. Any LDAP groups matching a blazed role will be mapped automatically. For example, in the loss prevention group, you can see the associated users. Once saved, the system auto-refreshes every 24 hours by default. You can change this interval or perform a manual refresh whenever needed. You can return to this menu at any time to adjust these settings. Under the Groups tab, you can view all groups you've created. Once users are added, they'll show up in the user menu under their groups. You can also review custom roles and permissions to make changes. I've skipped the repetitive part, but we have new Group 1 already created. As you can see, we can set up permissions and devices here. Now, go back to LDAP and fetch updates. You'll see a match for new Group 1. After importing, it will be automatically mapped to the correct role. If there's an overlap, the system will notify you about overriding settings. As you can see, 6 users across 2 groups have been imported.